G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Domino's. I've got their brand new My Deal, My Way. And what it is a mini pizza with two sides. And well, there's about 600 combinations you can choose from. Anyway, I'm going to whip in and grab something, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go. Alright, well here we go, the My Deal My Way. Now, it starts from $10, so you can get a $10 meal, or you can step it up and grab a few other things. Now, you can get add-ons like garlic bread and chicken wings, a few different types, some chicken meatballs, pancakes, lava cake. There's even some churros there. Today, I got the chicken meatballs with the lava cake. Chicken meatballs, extra $1. Lava cake, extra $2. So $13 this cost me. Let's suss it out. Oh, yum! Oh, it smells good. Da, 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 da. Oh, whoa. Well, I mean, that looks all right. It came with a big foilie, folks. Yes! No, well, there's the pizza. So it's like a hand size, that one, or smaller than. But I got the pepperoni. Here's your lava cake there with a beautiful dusting of, well, I don't know, maybe it's something to do with the foilie there. Oh, yeah. And here, well, here's the chicken balls, and there's supposed to be 10 of those there. Well, that looks all right. Don't know how I'm supposed to eat the balls and the lava cake, though, because I haven't got any utensils. Lucky I always keep some in the glove box. So that was $13 worth. Now, I've brought the scales. Let's see how much it weighs. All right, well, that says 526 grams, minus, say, 30 grams for the box. You're still looking at half a kilo of food. And the pizza on its own, 229 grams. Gee, that's all right. I've had $15 hamburgers that weigh less than that. Anyway, let's try this piece of pizza. See if it's any good. I feel like a kookaburra trying to kill a snake. Oh, I'll get this piece that fell off. No. It's Domino's pizza, mate. What do you expect? But it tastes alright. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but that sauce they use underneath, sometimes it tastes like it's off. But it's Domino's pizza, mate. What do you expect? Anyway, let's try some of these balls. That's what she said. Now, I tried to get some things that I thought I hadn't had before, but when I saw them, I thought I might have had them before. Interesting. And inside, that's what they look like. They got this funny flavour, whatever they patted out to make it bigger and with less chicken, it's sort of got a strange, unusual flavour. Kind of like a soy protein or something. And the barbecue sauce on it, whew, boy. It's pretty good. Nice and sort of sweet and barbecuey. Smells a bit funny though, so I wouldn't be smelling it like that, like I did. But it tastes alright. But it's this lava cake I'm really keen to try. Kinda wish I'd got the churros now. Let's see if it does anything. Oh, wow. Gee. That is full-on lava cake right there. Wow. It's got a nice hard crust on it too. Gee, can't wait to taste this. Oh, this thing is gooey. Whoa, mate. That is so rich. Really nice and chocolatey and I really like that outside crust on it. It's got a nice crunch about it, and then that soft centre is nice and hot, and it's just really chocolatey and rich and thick, and oh mate, what do you want? Well, I want to know what score I'm going to give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $13 for this. You can get some for $10. Up to you how much you want to spend on it. But $13 seems okay for half a kilo of food. Flavour-wise, well, the pizza was pretty good, of course. It tastes alright. I'm always having a go at Domino's, but their pizzas are okay sometimes. The chicken balls, well, they taste okay. They're nothing flash, that's for sure. And I wouldn't be ordering them again, but had a bit of chicken in there, I'm sure. Well, the barbecue sauce was nice, and that lava cake, wow. Tell you what, if you got a sweet tooth, you're going to love that lava cake. It's nice and rich and gooey and crusty and everything you sort of want, plus more. Gee, that was good. All around, I thought it was pretty good. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Domino's My Way, I reckon it deserves a... I did it my way. And 8.9 out of 10. I reckon it's pretty good. I mean, if you wanted to, you could have got 2 desserts, which I probably should have, because I'd love to try their churros or even their Danish pancakes or whatever they are. And, well, you could get to choose your pizzas too. Mate, it's just a bunch of fun and gives you the stuff that you want to eat for a change, rather than someone else telling you what you have to eat. And it's something I'd definitely be coming back for to try again. And I'm kind of liking these sort of mini pizzas because, well, sometimes those big pizzas can just lose so much flavour, but at least for the mini ones, they're going to be cooked like all the way through, and well, they're a decent size too, and I reckon it's pretty good. But it doesn't matter what I think. Let's find out from the nose who knows what he thinks. Rollo. Come on, Rollo. Oh, he's gone straight for the chicken balls. And then, oh yeah, he's loving that pepperoni pizza. Oh yeah. Dig on in, mate. Dig on in. Well, there you go, the Domino's My Way. Will you be whipping out and trying one? If you do, let me know the combination you would choose. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I eat at Domino's. See you then.
Screw blimey, grub it, mate! This is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. You know it. Ooh yeah.